Hello students, today we will learn daily routine. So let's start. My daily routine, I start with a nutritious breakfast, usually yogurt and fruit, to fuel my body for the day. At school, my favorite subject is science because we do exciting experiments. I also enjoy races where I can run and play games with my friends. After school, I attend piano lessons, which I really like. At home, I help my mom to prepare dinner. We often make a healthy stir fry with rice. In the evening, I spend time with my family watching movies or playing board games. Before going to sleep, I like to read books about adventures and magic. Routine helps me learn new things and spend quality time with my loved ones. Thank you for watching.